Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with USD Canadian dollar. The USD Canadian pair is slightly declined during the trading session on Thursday. However, it still retains the potential for growth. The pressure on the Canadian currency will continue to be exerted by the strengthening of the US dollar, as well as the reaction of traders to Canadian statistics on the consumer price index. Recall that the annual inflation rate in Canada fell from 6.3% to 5.9%, while experts predicted a decline to 6.1%. The core consumer price index, which does not take into account food and energy prices, fell from 5.4% to 5% against growth expectations to 5.5%. Market participants believe that the decline in inflation is another signal of a possible weakening of the hawkish rhetoric of the national regulator, as well as a slowdown in the rate increase. In this scenario, the Canadian currency is waiting for further losses. Next, GBP/USD. The pound is testing support at 1.2050. The British currency is at risk of remaining under pressure as the dollar strengthens. Published yesterday, the minutes of the last Fed meeting convinced investors that the US regulator will continue to raise rates. Analysts of Bank of America expect that the federal funds rate to peak at 5.5%. This means that at each of the next three meetings, the rate will be increased by 25 basis points. Louis Fed President James Bullard said Wednesday on CNBC that Fed would have to go up 50 basis points to bring inflation under control. Given the intention of the US regulator to continue tightening policy, the pressure on the pound will only intensify. And finally, Euro/USD. The European currency holds position near 1.06. Inflation data for February released yesterday recorded price increases. In particular, annual inflation in Germany rose from 8.1% to 8.7%. Experts believe that inflation has not reached its maximum, despite the decrease in inflationary pressure at the beginning of the year. In other words, growth may continue in the coming months, which will put significant pressure on consumer activity and the economy. In such conditions, the risk of a recession in Germany will rise again. Additional pressure on the euro is provided by the strengthening of the dollar, given that the Fed plans to maintain a tight monetary policy. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.